I will show you step by step how to use the Shadcn UI Chart component with React and JavaScript. To get started, create a React app and install Shadcn UI. If you haven't done it before, I have another video on my channel that shows you the exact step-by-step process of how to do that. Once you have that set up, we can go to the documentation, then click installation, copy this command, open up your code editor and paste it inside your terminal to install the chart component. After that's completed, we can go back to the docs and see that we need to update our CSS file to match this here. Copy this section of code, open your Index.css file and just paste in what we just copied and hit save. Going back to the docs, click on this section that says your first chart. Here it talks about how we can define our data, and then scrolling down, it also talks how we can configure our charts as well. Scrolling down here, we can just copy all of the code here, then create a new file inside your components folder called component.tsx, paste in the code that we just copied, and one change we need to make is just to add the word default here. Inside your app.jsx file, erase everything and just import your component just like this, and then display the actual chart component. Run the React app by typing in npm run dev. Going to the React app, this is what you should see now for the chart component. Going back to the doc, we would now add a couple different things to make it look more like a typical chart. The first thing we will do is add a grid. So we can just click add a grid on the side here and just follow the instructions. First, we want to add this Cartesian grid import from recharts. So we can just go back to our component.tsx file and just paste in the import just like this. We can display this grid component by going back to the docs and just copying this and pasting it just like this. Looking at the chart component, we can now see the grid here. Next, we will add the X and Y axis. So we can just follow the docs again, import the X axis component just like this. And then we can copy the code here and just paste it just like we did in the previous step. Looking at the chart component, we can now see the x-axis is now being labeled. Next, we will add a tooltip. So just like before, we can just update our import statement and add these two imports here. Then copy the code here and paste it right below the x-axis component. Hovering over the bars, we can now see the tooltip component. The last change we will add is to add a legend component. Just like before, update your import statement and then copy the code here and then paste it in right underneath the chart tooltip component. Looking back at the chart component, we can now see the legend component here. There is more stuff you can configure if you want by looking through the docs, but those are all the steps I'll be showing to get started with the Shadcn UI chart component.